Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the XD to Flutter plugin for Adobe XD. So basically, as you can see here, it converts your Adobe XD designs into working code. So it just builds the actual look of it. So it just builds the design code. So not the functionality of it. So if you have a button, it won't click or anything. Actually, any buttons or input fields or anything like that are just really like images. So it needs a lot of work still, but I'll just show you. I have something basic right here. And so I'll just show you how to get started with it. So you'll click get install XD to Flutter here, or you can go to plugins actually. Discover plugins, and you can just click the search box XD to search XD, and you should see it somewhere. Let's type Flutter. That might be better. So you see it right here, XD to Flutter. So just click that and you'll install it. It'll say, if it's not installed, it'll say install right here. So then you would just go to, you can make a quick design or whatever. Actually, I'll just show you how to make one. So make sure to change the name up here to register or something. And so I'll just make something quick. And I'll round the corners with like 8. And I'll make the color this purple over here. And I'll click the border on accident. It's kind of too dark. Let's just grab this blue right here. So then I'll just add some text. We'll change that color to white so we can see it. Let me show you. All right, and then I'll go ahead and just move this down here. And we can make it a component. You don't really need it, but I think this is not really centered. I really should do it like this. Oh well. Anyways, I could really just copy this, paste it. And we'll just change the background to white. And then we'll make this say email. So they'll enter the email. We'll just do it the opposite. So let's just say this is like an input field or something. And then you can repeat it easily without having to retype it by clicking repeat grid. You just click on the component. First, let's make it a master component, I guess. It already is because we copied. But anyways, repeat grid, and you just drag this down. So you can make as many as you want. We'll do email, and I'll usually do it on group. So email, password, I'll just do confirm password. And I'll go ahead and stretch this out. Alright. So that's fine for it right now. This is just for demonstration. And so then you'll go to plugins, XD to Flutter, and export all widgets. And then you'll find the photo of your app, which I already have it here. And then you'll just click open. First, before you do that, let's go to public spec YAML. And we'll just go here and I'll comment this line and bring it back to make it right under the pound sign. And then we'll just, I believe it's just 2 over. That should be. Anyways, we'll just take this out. We'll save that. Pub.get, which we probably should have created the folders first, but so you right click on the top level folder, new directory, assets, and then make another new directory under assets called images. Alright, so any images will get put there. We'll go ahead and do another pub.get just to be safe. Alright, next we'll need to install the Adobe XD library. So just go to public spec YAML. And we'll put it right under local, or if you don't have local, I'll just right under Flutter. I mean, under SDK, but directly, in line with Flutter. So, and then you click pub.get, and it will download the library. When you see this, that's how you know it finished downloading. So now we'll go Alright, so actually you also need to change this path to have a set images. And just run pub.get on that. Because we have assets in the images, yeah, that you just need to make it match that. So we'll go back to Adobe XD, and it's oh man. So you go to plugins at the top, XD to Flutter, and export all widgets. All right. So now you should get the register folder here. And of course, because I copied the component and I just changed the color afterwards, it made these components the same color. You'll see when we run it. So first, let's go to main. So you just need to make those you either need to remake these separately or make those a component. That would be the fix. So we'll just comment this out for now. We'll change the home to the register page. And these are just, they just create the view of it. I'll show you. You need to import this through option enter. Alright, that should load here in a minute. But if you go see, and it's this size because we have an iPhone. I chose an iPhone size, so it's off, of course. But you would probably really use like columns with expanded or flexible or something. So they use a stack and they just stacked it like that. So you just change the heights really if you wanted to. And really you can change these components. You can just copy them. Let's just go ahead and do it right now. So let's just copy it. And component 51 is because we didn't name the component. Oh, yeah, so I believe that's where they're getting it. So anyways, let's just make, you can change the name if you want, but so we'll do input fields dot dart, or you don't have to put dot dart, just input fields. Okay, just copy this whole thing. We're gonna change component 51s to input fields. Everywhere you see component 51 input fields. So I believe that's it. And really you can just change the color, so I'll just copy this. So, oh man. All right. I'll just change this to colors.white. Colors. All right. And move this const. All right. We'll just take this. I cut that out. And then we'll just change it to be right here. And we'll take that out. And then I have a thing where it formats it by itself. So remember, I had that border. So, all right. So now we'll just save that and go to register. And we can change these three to input fields, which I probably shouldn't have named that. The other, actually, it's called text field. So we'll import that. We'll just take out the component 51s and input fields, input fields. Well, of course, they named it everything same too. So, so we could pass it in. Why wasn't the third one changing? So it must be the first one. Yeah, so I should have known because it's 671. I guess is that the position? Yeah, that's the position of it. So this is the X and Y, or what is offset? I don't even honestly know what that is. Yeah, it's the X and Y coordinates. So that's what I thought. So this is the X and this is the Y coordinate. So yeah, that's how you do Adobe XD and to Flutter. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.